Hello, this is Daryl for Tuesday, the 30th of August 2016. This is the DE market summary. So today, the markets closed down. They closed in the negative. Why was that? Well, the simple reason is Apple. So we know that Apple stock is 10% of the NASDAQ on a whole. So if Apple stock has any movement either way, it affects the NASDAQ, and for that matter, it affects the whole market. And today we had some really ground shaking news that had to do with Apple. So what happened? Well, the EU slammed Apple with a 13 billion euro tax bill. And of course, it moved the market. So, this is the ruling. Apple has to pay. So, this ruling came down from the European Commission. They ordered Apple to pay Ireland unpaid taxes of up to, so this is up to, so not definitely this amount, but up to 13 billion euro, which is 14.5 billion US dollars. So this rule is because of the firm had received illegal state aid. So, if you remember, as I said, they have to pay Ireland that money. But Ireland, as well as Apple, are saying that they're going to appeal this ruling. So, very interesting. Why wouldn't Ireland be happy if they're getting that? If they're getting that billions of dollars? But it has to do with something bigger than that. It has to do with Ireland really just wanting Apple to be in their country for the work, and long term it would be better. So they really want to be on Apple's good side to continue that. Apple has been, Ireland has been very successful in this strategy of getting technology companies to come into their country. And so they want to continue that, and they want to make sure that Apple's understand that too. So that's the situation to the end. But because of that, though, because of that ruling, Apple stock was hit hard, and if you could see, it's down trading again at $106 or so. Right. So in a global picture, and going forward, I don't think it would have a major effect on Apple, because really they're saying they have to pay up to a certain amount, and there's no real demand on the funds for them to pay Ireland. They didn't say pay tomorrow, right? So it's just something to to scare Apple and other companies like that from taking advantages of countries like that they could get see as tax havens, right? So that's what the EU, the European Union, is trying to do. But it really did shake up the markets, and it brought down not just the Nasdaq, but we had the Dow was down, and also the S&P 500. So what did we have today? Well, we had the Dow down 48.69 points to 18,454.30. We had the S&P 500 down 4.26 points to 2176.12. The Nasdaq down 9.34 points to 5222.99. So we had higher volumes of trading, but it was in a negative territory because of the ruling on Apple. But could we see that trend switch tomorrow? Could we see a nice, sweet rally happening tomorrow? Absolutely, absolutely. So we think tomorrow coming in, we could get some good news, and we could get a nice upswing going into September. Interesting though, news of another kind came in, which was that August, we see that August, which is usually a good month for gold, it had a down month for gold. August was a down month for gold. So this hasn't happened since 2010, because usually August is the best month for gold because of the festivals in India, and gold is bought in large quantities at that point. So all gold stocks usually go up, but as a sector, gold was down, and the prices of gold itself was down. So that was a big surprise. That hasn't happened since, as I said, since 2010. So that was an interesting situation that happened here in this summer. But we have everyone looking forward to the news of September, of a possible rate hike. Will it happen? Is it possible? And that talks will continue straight until the meetings with the Fed. But stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll be bringing you the news as it comes. Okay, this is Daryl with the DE Market Summary. You have a good day.